Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today, guys. And Netflix India has dropped a trailer today. I'm superbly excited to react to it. This is for an upcoming Tamil film, Jagamme Thandiram, and it stars Dhanush, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Joju George, and various other actors. What a great cast! And when the teaser had dropped, I had actually watched it on my own. I didn't react to it at that point of time, but I loved the teaser. So we know that it is about a gangster called Suruli, who is extremely rowdy in nature, and Dhanush looks fabulous. Dhanush in that teaser looked amazing. He's literally embodied that character. So I am really excited to check out what else we get to see in this trailer. And yeah, without delaying this any further, let's react to the trailer of Jagamme Thandiram. All right.
See, it didn't have to be like this. All you had to fucking do was what you were meant to do. You and me were like brothers.
நீங்க தமிழோ தமிழ்நாடா
தமிழ்நாடு தானே.
தமிழ் என்றால் தமிழ்நாடு மட்டும்தானே?
உண்மையா மட்டும் சொன்னா போதாது.
Oh man, Joju George.
மாதிரி கதையாவும் சொல்லலாம். ஒரு 500 பேருக்கு விடுவாங்க.
It's business. We don't need any more immigrants.
அவனுங்கள நம்ம ஓட விடணும்னே. நீ என்ன ஓடி ஒளி சொல்ற? அவனுங்கள இப்ப போய் நான் செஞ்சு விட்டுமானே செஞ்சு விட்டுமானே.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Dumb.
What?
சூப்பரா தம்பி சூப்பரா. Discount.
Yo!
எனக்கு
The original gangster.
பண்றீங்கன்னு தோணுது. தப்பு பண்ற அவ்வளவுதான். சிறுசு அளவெல்லாம் கிடையாது.
Whoa!
சோழர் பரம்பரையில் ஒரு லண்டன் தாதா.
Oh man, yes! When is it releasing? 18th June! Alright, let me stop this. Okay, so that was the trailer of Jagamme Thandiram, and I don't know, man, with Dhanush, he just completely transforms into the character. Like, I know while I'm watching this trailer, I know it's Dhanush, but yet it's not him. I just his talent is just unbelievable, and I'm even more excited because there's going to be a stark contrast from what he did in Karnan, because Karnan was very serious and very very brutal in terms of his character sketch, and here also you see, of course, he's brutal only because he's a gangster, but there's a more edgy and school side to it. So that is going to be a completely different kind of Dhanush that we get to see on screen with this film. And Suruli's character seems very very interesting because here in the description also they have given a little snippet that Suruli is a reckless gangster from Madurai who happens to get recruited by London-based politically affluent gang leader. Now this particular aspect, politically affluent, I think it matters because we see that this, I am guessing the gang leader Peter James Cosmo, he says this dialogue that this is strictly business and we do not need any more immigrants. So because this guy is politically connected and because of that dialogue, I don't know if they're going to sort of address this topic of immigration or maybe racism. I don't know, because on the surface it might look like a action gangster film, but there could be a social commentary running through the subtext of the writing as well. That tends to happen with Dhanush's films lately. So I am really excited for this film. The trailer looks great, and the trailer has a very different flavor than what the teaser had. So I'm really glad that they don't feel the same, and I think we are going to get we are going to be encountering various emotions, not just the thrill of the action part, emotional, the great music, romantic angle, because of course from the trailer I can make out that Aishwarya Lakshmi plays the love interest of Suruli. Now I don't know how significant is her role, but we'll see when the film releases. Then Jojo George, he is looking fabulous. He's actually looking like the person who is having, running an illegal empire or an illegal business. And I don't know why I have this gut feeling is that Jojo George's character, even though negative, somehow by the end is going to turn into a positive character. His name in the movie is Shivadas. So underworld, he runs an illegal underworld operation. So there is going to be, I feel, like a backstory, and then we see that we probably end up gaining empathy, maybe a little bit of empathy for Jojo George's character. I just have this gut feeling looking at the trailer and listening to the dialogues that have been said. So, but the cinematography looks fabulous. Like particularly the cinematography has captured my eyes, and I know for a fact, looking at this trailer, is that the action sequences are going to be shot really, really well. Also, this looks like a movie which is set in not in the current era. This looks like it's set in probably in the 80s or 90s maybe. That's because of the look and all. I feel that's the case. I don't know if that has been mentioned anywhere or not, because I did not check it. I did not research on that. So yeah, those were my thoughts on the trailer of Jagame Thandiram, and I don't know why it was written the original gangster. Is this inspired from some character? Probably you guys whoever is watching, do you have any knowledge? Please do let me know on that. So yeah guys, that was my reaction for today, and do let me know, what did you think of this trailer? Are you excited, not excited? What are your thoughts after watching this? Are you going to watch it when it releases, or are you going to give it a pass thinking that looks like a typical masala movie, I can do without it? Whatever your thoughts are, please do write them in the comments down below. I would be definitely be reading them. And yeah, that was it from me today. I'll be signing off right now, and yep, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.